I was asked to review the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3 and it arrived today, so let's get at it.
Well, here is that Mini Heat Press 3. Let's get it unboxed. So it came with very good instructions. It has got the heat press itself, and it's got this great little cradle that it fits right into. And it seems like it has amazing controls. So let's get this baby going. Okay, this is very easy to get started. So I'll turn it on. And then you just press this one once to go up or down in temperature. And I'm going to stay at 385 degrees. Then you press it again and it gives you your time so that you can go through and set that. And I'm going to leave it at 60 seconds for now.
This is what I am going to be using with the Mini Heat Press 3. This is an MDF keychain. So it is sublimation ready, like I said, and it has a protective coating on both sides that will need to be removed right away. I printed 2 photos. I used Sublimation ink, Sublimation printer, and Sublimation paper. I used HTVRONT 125 paper for this. And I reversed it, and there are sublimation images, and they are ready to go. So the heat press is up to temperature, 385 degrees, and so I'm going to be pressing these for 60 seconds at 385 degrees. After I cleaned my MDF blank here, I lined it up on the photo the way I want it, and then I taped it down with heat-resistant tape. So I am using a heat-resistant pressing mat for this, and so I've got a clean piece of paper on the pressing mat, and now I flip my whole design over. I'm going to be pressing on the top of this HTVRONT paper.
So I got the countdown timer going here for the 60 seconds, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side.
This first side turned out great, so now we can move on to the second side. We are going to be doing the same thing with this picture. It's taped in place with heat-resistant tape, and now it's flipped over and ready to press.
The countdown timer is going, and we are working on the second side.
And here is the reveal of the second side.
I hope you can see this. It turned out perfectly. This is MDF, and it was 60 seconds at each side at 385 degrees. I really like this little heat press. It has got so many more options than its predecessor. It is just a great machine. Again, this is the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. So this little heat press has this little divot in the back, and I thought, I'm going to try it on this little camping mug. These are so hard to do because they really don't fit in a press. And so I thought, oh, that just kind of fits right on there, that divot. So I'm going to give this a try.
I taped my sublimation image down really well because I don't want this to move, because I am going to have to move the Mini Heat Press 3 around on here to get full coverage. So I did tape it in place with heat resistant tape, and we're ready to go.
It's hard to see this, but I just wanted you to see that I've got that edge in that curve.
I'm impressed. It worked great. This was 120 seconds at 385 degrees. So I want to go over some of the features that I really like with this Mini Heat Press 3. The buttons are amazing. They go up in 5 increments, both for the seconds and for the temperature. I like that when you're looking at it, you can see the temperature instead of having to flip it around. I like that it gives you the time and temperature so you're not guessing at those options. I love the tray that it sits in. It is a soft silicone tray that it sits in. It's not hard, it's very soft, so I was able to put that cup into it, and I really like that curved edge on the back. This is very easy to hold in your hand. I have to give this HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3 an A+. I was very impressed. Please see links below for items that I've used in this video. Like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.